ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸುಸಂಸ್ಕೃತವಾದಂಥ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕೆಂಬ ಆಶೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರ, ಪಕ್ಕವಾದ್ಯ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ತಬಲಾ ವಾದಕ ಜಾಕೀರ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ರವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ವಿರಾಸತ್ 2007 ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Respects and warmest greetings to all of you, to Dr. Mohan Alva and his revered father. I also offer you all my New Year's greetings. May the year 2007 become one of the most brilliant, beautiful, joyous year ever in living memory, with a lot of manifestations of the art which is now fashionably called the art of living, but which indeed is the repository of what life is all. Indeed, after Padma Vibhushan, I considered that Alva's Virasat Award honor a singular honor that I've received. I was thinking about how one man's vision, zeal, enthusiasm, commitment, dedication can change the atmosphere, topography, and lives of not hundreds, thousands, maybe millions. How we learn to convert ups and downs of our lives to our advantage, how we learn to convert tragedies into something more beautiful. We transform ourselves and we offer that art of transformation. We share it. To pay my respects to the whole idea, to the whole concept of Virasat, and to the dreamer, give them concrete shape. Virasat is a word that needs to be understood in all its magnificent facets.